Hi everyone, my name is Nick. In this video we'll talk about AdsPower browser. So I would like to show you how to add proxy and create a profile in AdsPower. It's pretty easy, let me show you how to do it. First of all, you need to click on proxies on the left side and you need to add a proxy. So you can buy a proxy or just find it in the internet, it doesn't matter, but you need to have a proxy. So click on add proxy. Then here you need to select the necessary proxy type, for example, in my case, SOX5. Then you can change IP checker or just leave it as default, IP to location. You can also add tags, but the main thing you need to do is just paste your information about proxy right in this field. So here you can see my proxy, IP address, and user and password, of course. Just below you will see your proxy right in this list, and now you have to click on OK at the very bottom. Okay, the result added one proxy. Click on OK, and now we can go to the profiles tab. So click on it. After that, at the top left corner you can find the new profile button. Let's click on it. Okay, and you'll be taken to this page. Here you need to fill only two fields. First of all, you have to name your profile, in my case profile 1, and also you can of course change operation system for your browser, change group, and so on, but you have to add proxy. To do it, just scroll down a bit until you find the proxy section. Here you need to click on saved proxies and now select your proxy. And then you can click on OK. And now you can start using this profile. Just click on the open button and that's all. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.